Now, we'll assemble the door. Position the door component on the nose. Insert the door pin into the hole at the rear of the nose and press it firmly until fully seated. Insert the feed piston and install the feed pawl in its correct position. Then install the spring and insert the feed pawl pin from the outside toward the inside. Foreign matter inside the feed piston can cause malfunctions. Always keep it clean. Insert the bumper, place the spring on top, install the cap, and install the snap ring. Be sure to check with snap ring pliers that the snap ring is securely installed. Now assemble the nose onto the body. When attaching the nose to the body, be sure to install the O-ring in the feeding line hole. If the O-ring is missing, air leakage may occur. Also, the safety cannot be installed after the nose and body are assembled. Install it beforehand. When assembling the nose bolts, follow the disassembly order in reverse. Before using an impact wrench, lightly tighten the bolts first with hand tools. This prevents incorrect assembly. Tighten the bolts in a crisscross pattern to ensure the nose is properly seated. Tighten gradually in 2 steps, applying 50% of the total torque each time for even tightening. Next, assemble the valve set and trigger. The valve set has a groove for the roll pin to pass through. Align this groove with the hole in the body. Check alignment with a tool, and then insert the roll pin. When assembling the trigger, please note, if the inner trigger is misaligned, the roll pin may interfere with its proper operation. After inserting the trigger, check its position using a tool. And insert the roll pin while keeping the trigger centered. Next, assemble the platform and post. Attach the post to the platform, then insert the spring and hook in order. Mount the completed platform to the magazine and secure it with an O-ring. Assemble the magazine cover so that the pin points from top to bottom. Now assemble the magazine to the body. Assemble the magazine cover so that the pin points from top to bottom. Next, we will assemble the cylinder components. The cylinder is a critical component. Any scratches may cause air leakage. Please take extra care to avoid scratches during assembly. First, insert the cylinder ring with its pattern facing downward. Then install the O-ring. Next, insert the bumper and install the cylinder. Once installed, use a rubber mallet to verify that the cylinder is properly positioned. Before installing the piston set, make sure the O-ring is well lubricated with oil. After confirming, proceed with installing the piston set. Now assemble the cap components. The inner parts of the cap are critical for operation. Keep the area clean and free of contaminants. First, insert the piston stop, then place the head valve spring. The head valve must be adequately oiled. Add more if necessary. If the tool malfunctions, check the head valve itself for defects. Now assemble the cap to the body. Before assembly, make sure there are no scratches on the surfaces where the gasket meets the body. Even small scratches may cause air leakage. Fully tightening one side first may damage components, so proceed carefully. When assembling the cap, tighten the bolts in a crisscross pattern, applying 50% of the final torque at a time. The assembly is now complete. After assembly, connect the air hose and perform a test operation to check for any air leaks. Always operate the product in accordance with all applicable safety regulations.